I believe most of us have been through situations that demanded of us to demonstrate leadership in terms of making hard and tough decisions. It could have been at work and you find yourself occupying a certain position which gives you responsibility over a number of individuals, and options are set before you, and you know very well that the organization is depending on you to make the right decision. What should you do? Most of the times you see yourself panicking and perspiring. This is because it's not everyone of us who is trained to have sufficient acumen that can help you mitigate certain challenges, especially in a fast-paced work environment. What criteria do you use to make sure that no matter how challenging the situation is, you always make the right decision? What I'll review to you shortly will help you navigate self-leadership, family leadership, business leadership, your spirituality, and every other facet of your life. There are basically 3 levels of perception that you can employ to diagnose and mitigate any problem, no matter how difficult. Said these levels are discernment, reason, and emotions. Discernment is on a spiritual level. It helps you to understand the mind of God concerning the issue at hand. Reason is on a logical or on a cognitive level. It considers the physical framework surrounding the issue at hand. And emotions are on a relational level. They help you to maintain a health connection with the people and the environment within the context of the issue at hand. Making decisions following these 3 levels of perception will make you immune to failure. Never place emotions ahead of reason and discernment, because emotions have a weakness. They produce unbearable consequences if they are the primary window through which you perceive and approach a situation. Never place reason ahead of discernment or after emotions, because reason is the scale that balances the unseen future with the present reality. Like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to this channel for more inspirational and life-changing content. Libert Kingsdale here. God bless you.